Everyone, I know it's been a while, but I thought I'll be back and tell you about our new indicators. So I am working on indicators, things that can make your trading better. And I'm surprised that MetaTrader doesn't have a default VWAP indicator. So that's what we created. So I created a VWAP indicator here. This will be available to all of our Patreon members. And for those who are not Patreon members, you can join, or if you don't want the commitment, I've also made this available so you can purchase this separately if you so wish. It's very basic in that it is the central VWAP line. So if you look at VWAP, it tends to be just the middle line. And what VWAP stands for is volume weighted average price. So this weighs in the price and the volume. So this is tick data volume to get this line. And at first glance, it looks very similar to a moving average. And indeed, it is a trend-based indicator showing where the trend is, with the added knowledge that volume has been taken into consideration for the calculation. And what a lot of people do is they take the bands. So what we have here are the upper and lower bands. And one of the strategies that people use for intraday trading is seeing where the price is in relation to the bands. And you can see that it does respond to the bands. You can see here, near the bottom of these bands here, the price went up. Same, reached here, went down, up. And these are various points where it will go with the ebbs and flows, goes up, goes down, uses the middle line of support, goes up again, bounces off, hits the bottom line, bounces back up. And you can see how this tends to operate. So I felt that this would be a useful indicator. I'm currently looking at this for a variety of different trading strategies to see what we can build from this. But I thought I'd release this so that you can use this for yourself. And you'll see here, there's a display box. It gives you the value of the upper band, the middle band, and the lower band, along with alert messaging. So if you right click on indicators, you can adjust the periods of the VWAP bands and the deviations, which are the bands, just the colors, the widths, and you can enable, turn on or off which of the notifications you need. Obviously, if you're using notifications, one is a pop-up, the other ones you need to set up in here, options. So email, you need to make sure that you have these settings in here. You can get a free email server if you go to smtp2go.com and set up there, and you put in the details, put in the username and password that they give you, and they can get that to work. There's also the notifications here. This will allow you to get notifications on your mobile. So if you've installed the MetaTrader app, you see there's a MetaQuotes ID which needs to match your mobile, and you can just enable the push notifications and it will push these out to your mobile, so you can get notification as to when the price either reaching the lower band or the higher band. So quite simple, but something which you may find useful. Obviously free to our Patreon members, and as I mentioned, if you're not a Patreon member and you still would like this, you can purchase this through our Gumroad account. I've only made it $20 so that it is reachable for most people. And I've dropped the links also in the video description box below. You download it. It is for MetaTrader 5, not MetaTrader 4. And if there's anything else which you think could be added to this, do let me know. Obviously, always looking for ways where we can help make trading easier for people. So that's it for today's video. Thanks very much.